Hello guys, what's up? And today we start our first episode of tearing stuff up that you worked really hard on. So we have this thing, the only new modifications that we've done to this thing is we put a steering on it. It turns way better, but the steering's backwards. So whenever you go right, it turns left. Whenever you go left, it turns right. So a little bit, not too bad. But so we're gonna try to drive through that mud hole. And we put an exhaust tip on it. We put a 3.5 or 3 inch. We had to slit it so it'd slide on there. But it did slide on there. But that water, pretty deep. I think I'm just gonna kind of drive through the edge of it first. But yeah, we're gonna try to tear this thing up. I don't know if we can. So since it's so good. I'll show you how good it is. That's actually better than I thought. So I welded new track bars on there because the old track bars, it didn't help this move any, and it still flops around pretty good, actually, because like the frame's still bent right here. Because it's not meant for 180 pounds to ride on all the time. But we're gonna try to take it through the mud. I don't know if it's gonna be able to handle it. I think it's just the clutch is gonna burn up. We'll definitely burn the clutch up. You may like roll it off a hill or something. I don't know. We'll find out later. But we got the thing we got to tow it out with up there, so we'll try to drive it through the pond. Let me show you the fire up process. It's really not simple. Got a problem. Our clutch is burnt up. This thing smells so hot. Oh, it's melting the paint. Now what? I guess we'll just, I fell in there. We'll just get the four-wheeler and pull it out. She's stuck. This other side is underwater almost. You can see the little top tread on this thing, but other than that, yeah, she's completely submerged. It's like 2 foot deep. polluted the water. There's still stuff coming out of the exhaust. That's funny. Dude, it's all the way to the frame. It smashed mud over my butt. I got it to spin though, but the water is halfway up the exhaust. Dude, whenever oh. Something's sizzling. If it catches on fire out here, we're gonna be in trouble. I think I'm gonna have to go swimming if that's the case. But anyways, guys, we're gonna pull this thing out again and we're gonna do it again. White smoke is not a good sign. Well, this time it's slightly deeper because I kept picking the back end up, but got a little dirtier this time. But steering's holding up good. I mean, it's got a lot of play now, but a lot of play. Oh, I can still see the tire on the side. So I think it is deeper. Oh, I kind of turned. Huh. Okay, now it's underwater. All right, well, we'll pull this thing out and then we'll see. We'll probably drive through it again, because why not? She's about done, boys. Chinese diesel's running good, and it's having a hard day today. But I don't know why it's having a hard day. I literally just drove it through a pond. I mean, it's not that hard on it, and I just left it to the floor every time I got in the pond. Anyways, this will be the last time we're pulling this thing out. We're gonna go see what actual damage we done to it. I know this is not supposed to do that. But something's moving down here. Oh, we bent it. All right, well, we'll get it out and then we'll take it back up to the shop and we'll see what damages we done to it. So, all right, guys, so this is gonna be the outro, and I bet most of you guys are wondering, is this the end of Gorilla Card testing? No, it is not the end. It's still got a little life left in it. It's still got a lot of life left in it so far. It still runs. It doesn't run as good as it did. It is rolling blue smokes. So if you don't know, black smoke is overfuel. Obviously, it's overfueled. White smoke is water, but this thing's not water cooled or anything, so it's not water. And blue smoke's oil. It's burning blue smoke whenever it's sitting there idling. It'll sit there and roll blue smoke, which is not healthy for the motor at all. It's probably about to blow up, which is like it's probably just gonna crack the rod or do something stupid like that. And then we'll be out of a diesel motor that's $33,000. But anyways, we'll try to get this. It's still running. So next video will be durability test 2. I don't know when that's gonna come out, but we will continue the durability test. We will see. We will push the absolute farthest limits of this thing. And when it breaks, I mean, if it gets past like durability test like 5, we'll let it live. But I don't think it's gonna make it past 5. Anyways, thanks you so much for watching, and like and subscribe, and make sure you have a good day.